Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So, today we are continuing about our Greek mythology story. And suddenly, as I was doing it, I found some stories are longer, some stories are shorter. And suddenly, 突发奇想, suddenly I have these thoughts. How about I do it in 2 languages? As I develop, improve, maybe I can do 3 languages, but talk it in Chinese and in English. That will be fun. I will read the story. I will say the story in Chinese and roughly, freely translate into my way in English, or read it in English and translate my way to Chinese. Something like it. It's just a thought. I want to hear your idea about it. Okay, that will make the language long, and that will make the video longer, so that you can fall asleep and you can forget it. I was thinking of this subconscious learning another language. When you are relaxed, you can learn some language, and when you pay attention, you can connect the words. And when you decide to relax, not to pay attention, it just gets some sounds in your system. Anyway, this one I am still in Chinese. After I get your verdict, I will decide to do or not. Okay, this story is Hermes and the lyre. We know lyre is an ancient music instrument, that shape, that particular shape, right? Maia was an ocean nymph. Nymph is kind of a fairy, little sorcier, not so much sorcier, forest fairy and ocean fairy. Yeah, Maia was an ocean nymph, daughter of the Titans, Atlas and Pleione. Atlas, very strong, right? She holds the universe, the sky of the universe. Pleione, I did not know Pleione. Together, she and Zeus had a son named Hermes. Yeah, so Maia, the ocean nymph, and Zeus, they had a son, and his name is Hermes. So we all know Hermes, right? In our bag, in our scarf, and sometimes in our perfume. But this is not. This is the very original, the inspiration for the scarf, for the perfume, for the bag. Hermes was a particularly mischievous child. I can understand a scarf, just a scarf made of silk, and they dare to make him thousands of dollars. Yeah, it's kind of mischievous, right? Hermes was a particularly mischievous child. In fact, he grew up to be a god of the tricksters. So he was supposed to be like this. One day he escaped from Maia, from his mom, and decided to steal a herd of prized cow from his half brother, the god Apollo. Hermes, Apollo's dad was Zeus, right? So they are half brothers. but they do not seem had a good relationship. Yes, step brothers or step siblings have some tricky relationship. So Apollo could not find the cows. Hermes cast a spell on them so that they could only walk backward. Apollo went to look for his cows, but at this time, the mischievous god Hermes made a spell. They walk backward. So the walk looks forward, but actually their bottom is towards the direction. So when Apollo found his field empty of cattle, he went to look at their hoof prints. Their footprints is called hoof prints. Look at the mark. But he could not figure out where they had gone. Of course, backward, right? The spell. The prints led into the field, but his cows were nowhere to be seen because of the spell. While Apollo was puzzling over his missing cattle, Hermes had sacrificed one of the cows to the older gods and cut up its body into pieces. Oh! When he was looking at its intestines, he was struck by an ingenious idea. Oh my goodness, Hermes, I will never buy a bag from you. Anyway, I don't have the money to buy a bag. Hermes cut up the intestines and then located a tortoise, a turtle shell. He stunned the guts across it and plucked them as strings. And then clear notes run out. You know, when you tighten a string, bling bling, the notes will come some sound. Let me try my headset. This is relatively tight, right? So something like it come out, some music. Oh my goodness, Hermes, I will never buy your scarf. Anyway, I cannot afford it. Hermes had crafted the very first lyre in the universe. Eventually, Apollo discovered Hermes with his cows. He was furious, of course. How dare you kill one of my prized cows? Apollo roared. Thinking quickly, Hermes held up the lyre he had made. I'm sorry, Apollo. Sorry. Yeah. Hermes said, please take this instrument in return for your cow. When Apollo played the lyre, the sound it produced was so beautiful. The flower and the trees swayed along the music. The flower danced and the trees swings. So beautiful. Apollo felt this gift was a fair trade for his cow. Apollo, oh my goodness, he has no heart. And he forgave Hermes. From that day on, Apollo was rarely without his tuneful lyre. So from that day on, Apollo held his lyre all the time. But still, I will not buy any perfume from Hermes. Anyway, I cannot afford it. That's the story of Hermes, Apollo, and Apollo's lyre. So when you play music instrument, think about it. Was that the lyre? Was that the intestine of the cow? Maybe I will search internet how the string of yeah, maybe they are. Let me check it out. String of music instrument, string of guitar. I will come back to you, okay, in 1 minute. Okay, so I searched the word and I used the keyword, what is lyre string made of? And then there were answers created by AI. If you are curious about the material used for lyre strings, here are common options. The first is nylon, a popular synthetic material known for its durability and resistance to weather. The second is gut, traditionally made from sheep intestines, offering a warm, rich tone. It is true, it is from the gut. And the third one is steel, provide a bright, clear sound, and it often used for modern lyres. Number 4 is silk, used in some traditional instrument, known for its soft sound quality. Number 5, polyester, another synthetic option that is strong and resistant to wear. Number 6, bronze, sometimes used for strings, offering a unique tonal quality. Number 7, copper, occasionally used in combination with other materials for specific sound characteristics. Wow, that I didn't know. That is interesting, don't you think so? Okay, so this is the story of it. I wish you think twice when you buy the string, think twice when you buy bag, scarf, perfume, and think twice when you want to listen to my stories. I appreciate your support. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye, bye.